Today, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 403 problem. Let's start. The first solution is changing DNS. If the problem is caused by our DNS, changing it will solve the problem. To change our DNS, we go to search bar and open control panel. After opening control panel, click on view network status and tasks. Then we click on our network and open properties. From the items list, select IPv4 and click properties again. Here, click the second option for DNS. Then set preferred DNS server to 1111 and alternate DNS server to 1001. This DNS belongs to Cloudflare and is completely safe to use. Click OK to save the changes. We have changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. To do this, press Windows and R keys at the same time to open Run. After opening Run, type update in the search bar and click OK. In the opened folder, find the local low folder and double click it. After doing this, find the RBX file and delete it. After deleting the file, go back to app data and this time double click the local folder. Here, we need to find the Roblox folder and then right click it. After that, click the trash icon and delete Roblox. We have removed Roblox from our computer. To reinstall it, we open our browser. After opening Roblox's website, open any game you want. After clicking play, click download Roblox to download Roblox's setup file. We have downloaded the setup. Now, double click this setup file to open it. After opening the setup file, wait for Roblox to install. We have installed Roblox. Now, you can log into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.